If you want to use the Pro mode on OPPO Reno 15, here's what you need to do. So first of all, once we open the camera, to find the Pro mode, we just have to slide all the way to the Pro option over here, and as you can see, we have the access to different parameters that can help you adjust the quality of photos and how they should look like. For example, we have the ISO, which controls how sensitive the sensor is to light. Low ISO keeps your photo clear in bright light, and higher ISO helps in low light conditions. Of course, too high ISO can add grain or noise to your photos. Generally speaking, we can set it to automatic, but we can move left and right in order to manually adjust the ISO. We can tap on A in order to make it automatic again. The shutter is the shutter speed, and it decides how long the camera sensor is open to capture light. And slow shutter speeds let in more light, which is good, for example, for night shots, but it can blur motion. And fast speeds freeze action. Here we can also adjust it manually and tap on A to set it to automatic. EV is the exposure, which is a slider that allows you to adjust the overall brightness of your image, and it's just a quick way to make your photos lighter or darker, and this is the only parameter that cannot be set to automatic. Focus, of course, decides what exactly is sharp in your photos. So if we move to the left side to lower values, it focuses on small subjects, and if we move to the right, then of course the focus is let's say bigger. The area of focus is much bigger, and we can also set it to automatic. And WB is the white balance, and it adjusts the color temperature so whites look white and colors look natural. If you move to the right side, then photos become more and more orange-ish, and if we move to the left, then they become more cold and blue-ish. And that is pretty much it. We can tap on this eye icon here in the upper right corner in order to find the explanation of these modes or these parameters, actually, in case you forget what they exactly do. Leave a like and subscribe.